Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So thanks to my mother, recently I've got gifted with this beautiful looking half and half sari, which reminded me that my channel doesn't has any tutorials of me doing a half and half sari drape, which is a little bit complicated. So I thought why not to just go ahead and do that. I hope you all will enjoy this video, and if you people do, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Beginning it off, you want to do a normal drape, that is, go ahead and take a round all around your sari to make sure that it is draped all around you as perfectly as possible. Going ahead and tucking each and every single thing in. Later on, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and find the fancy end of the sari, or which is known as the pallu end of the sari. You want to go ahead and find the edges or the vertical section of this, and then you want to go ahead and vertically pleat it. This is just going to be a rough draft of the pleats, so just go ahead and roughly pleat it. Measure the length of the pallu, and post measuring the length of the pallu, you want to go ahead and pin the residual, like onto the right hand side. You want to go ahead and pin the pallu with the help of the border. Use a safety pin for pinning it, and that would give your vest a really slimmer and an accentuated look. Going ahead towards my pleat, as you guys can see, the other half of my sari, or the bottom half of my sari, is net. It is quite a little bit tough for me to go ahead and pleat it in a single go. It took me a while to go ahead and pleat it. That's why you can see a couple of cuts in between. So I'm just going to go ahead and pleat it, and that's it. Pleating is something that needs practice, so don't let it intimidate you. Go ahead and try and practice, and once you will get a grip of that scissor grip, you will be able to pleat any of your saris really very conveniently. So just don't worry, go ahead and learn. Practice will make you perfect. Going ahead and grabbing all the pleats from where I want them to be pinned inside the petticoat, I am just arranging them all and then just going ahead and inserting the sari inside the petticoat right underneath my navel. Now it's time for me to switch over to the pallu. If I would have wished for, I would have definitely left it like that only on a free pallu basis. But right now I did wanted a pleated look. So here I'm showing you guys a distinct trick of going ahead and pleating your sari. You can pleat it onto your hands only, and this is more of a convenient way of pleating your sari. So just do go ahead and try pleating your sari like that for pallu, and you would definitely appreciate, because this is quite a little convenient one rather than going ahead and creating a scissor and then trying to grip everything. In this style of pleating, you have everything right in there in your hand. You can just simply apply a safety pin. So here you can see me, I'm just going ahead and applying a safety pin to make sure that my pleats are in place. And that's the finished look, you guys. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. See you. Bye.